Today, I want to tell you something important about mental strength, and it may surprise you. The people who seem the strongest are not the ones who shout the loudest. They are the ones who stay calm when everyone else is stressed or confused. You've probably met someone like this. Someone who walks into a messy situation and suddenly things feel easier. Someone who listens to criticism without getting angry. Someone who makes hard choices look simple. We often think these people were born special, but that's not true. Mental strength is not about being tough. It's about becoming anti-fragile, getting stronger from challenges, not weaker. It's not about removing fear. It's about learning to live with fear until it stops controlling you. The truth is simple. Your mind is growing stronger or weaker every day. There is no pause button. Avoiding challenges weakens you. Facing challenges, even small ones, strengthens you. You choose which direction you grow. Chapter 1. Your mind's operating system. Think of your mind like a phone. It runs on a system. And right now, it's either reactive or responsive. A reactive mind gets pulled around by emotions. A responsive mind feels emotions but still stays in control. Every time you explode in anger, you strengthen your reaction pathways. Every time you pause and breathe, you strengthen your response pathways. Your brain is like a garden. Your thoughts are seeds. You choose what grows, chaos or calm. This week, simply notice, am I reacting or responding? No judgment, just awareness. Awareness is the first upgrade. Chapter 2. Fear Training. Growing mental strength is like training a muscle. It hurts a little at first, but it becomes addictive when you see progress. Start small. 30 seconds of a cold shower, one uncomfortable conversation a day, one decision without asking everyone for advice. Your brain will resist this. Good. Resistance means growth. Every fear you face on purpose loses power over you later. Brave people aren't fearless. They simply know how to live with fear. Choose one tiny discomfort, repeat it for a week, and watch your confidence grow. Chapter 3. Building Mental Armor. Imagine your mind as a castle. Right now, anyone can walk in and tell you who you are. Let's fix that. First, choose your core values, the things that matter to you even when it's inconvenient. Second, gather evidence that shows you live by these values. Third, when someone criticizes you, ask, is this person qualified? Is there useful truth here? Does this align with my values? If the answer is no, let it go. Real confidence is quiet. You don't need to defend yourself when you know who you are. Write your 5 values. This becomes your armor. Chapter 4. Pressure Alchemy. Stress can break you or build you. It depends on how you look at it. Pressure and diamonds are made the same way. The difference is the interpretation. Your brain has 2 modes. This is a threat, or this is a challenge. The situation doesn't change. Your meaning does. Every problem you solve becomes a tool for the future. Ask yourself, what is this teaching me? How is this making me stronger? You'll feel pressure turn into energy. Chapter 5. Strategic Not Caring. Your emotional energy is limited. If you care about everything, you burn out. Learn to care selectively.
Ask yourself before reacting, will this matter in 5 years? Can I control this? Does this support my goals? If not, choose calm indifference. Protect your energy. Save it for what truly matters.
Chapter 6. Decision Fatigue Immunity. Every choice you make uses mental energy. Strong minds learn to pre-decide. Have automatic rules for morning routines, meals, clothing, and common responses. Save your energy for big choices that actually matter. Successful people don't think more. They think once and move forward. Chapter 7. Emotional Calluses. Just like your hands get stronger from repeated work, your emotions get stronger from repeated discomfort. Begin with small steps. Share an unpopular idea. Ask for something you might not get. Accept that not everyone will like you. Over time, criticism becomes information, not an attack. Rejection becomes redirection, not failure. Life becomes easier because you're not afraid anymore. Chapter 8. Reality Reframing. You cannot control the facts, but you can control how you see the facts. Ask yourself, what are the facts? What's the worst interpretation? What's the best true interpretation? This isn't fantasy. It's choosing the perspective that helps you grow. Victims ask, why is this happening to me? Strong minds ask, how is this happening for me? Reframing turns obstacles into opportunities. Chapter 9. Anti-fragile thinking. Resilience means you survive. Anti-fragility means you get stronger. Failures become lessons. Criticism becomes free guidance. Setbacks become signs that you're pushing limits. Seek feedback that challenges you. Look for problems that stretch you. This is how the mind grows powerful. Chapter 10. Confident Presence. True confidence is quiet. It shows in your calmness, your steady voice, your relaxed body language. People respect what they cannot shake. When you stop reacting, stop defending, and stop trying to impress, your presence naturally commands respect. Stand with calm shoulders. Speak slowly. Move with intention. Let your confidence come from preparation, not performance. The final message. Mental strength is not one skill. It is many skills working together. And when they combine, you become someone who cannot be easily broken. Your journey starts now, with one choice. Stop avoiding discomfort. Start learning from it. Build the mind you will be proud to live in.